Let's try that again. We get to actually do it. So I don't know if we can like angle it a little bit, like for video purposes, make it look nice. Let's see here. Are we gonna be able to angle it? Okay, let's get it. Turn it on. Let's see. Huh. It has the automatic hide on. And the brakes are going to sound like trucks now. Here's a quick demonstration. So if you turn the amber light button on, I don't know what that's for. Destination sign is for the school bus. Yeah, I really don't know what that's for. I really don't know what that's for.